Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Relax lang tayo. And nandito tayo ngayon sa May Prestige. And ayan, ang ganda dito guys. And it's really calming, you know. Kung wala ka namang masyadong gagawin and gusto mo lang tumambay, you can stay here. Kasi may mga tables, you know, may And then, the good thing here is pag nakita mo yung view dito sa may kabilang side, ito sa harapan ko eh. I'm gonna show you guys.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights.
Mag-relax dito kasi wala namang masyadong. Well, actually, hindi ko 4 o'clock pa and ayun, wala namang gagawin. I'm just waiting for my time. Then, I'll come to work at 4:30. So, ayun lang guys. So, I hope that you enjoyed this video kahit short clip lang siya. Kasi nga, gusto ko lang mapakita sa inyo na hindi lang yung mga high-end or yung mga mayayamang tao ang pwede magpunta rito. Anybody can come. Siyempre, basta dito na lang siya makikita sa May Grand Avenue. Sa may papuntang Phase 4 or bago mag-Phase 2 pag sa kabilang side. So, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please click, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, yun guys. See you next time. Bye!